Hey guys, welcome to the Whimsical Workshop. In this video I have a quick announcement to share with you, so let's get started. Yay! Alright, big news here in the studio. We are going to be partnering with Camelot Fabrics over the next few months to roll out their newest product line called Behind the Seams, which I absolutely love the name of. Behind the Seams is a series of interfacings and products that we would use to create many of our projects, including quilts and bags and all kinds of home decor things. And what we're going to be doing with them is we are going to be over on their blog and on their YouTube channel, so make sure you hop on over there and subscribe to both. I'll put the links below for you. And we're going to go through each of these products. We're going to talk about the products, share tips and tricks about them, and when is the best time to use these products. The whole point of the next 3 months is to educate you about all these different interfacings. I don't know about you, but sometimes I don't always know the right product to use for my project. And so I hope by going through this with you, we will both have much more knowledge on the other side and know which interfacing or product to use for our projects. That is a tongue twister. Anyway, so we're kicking off the first week of September and we're going to be covering their cloud-filled fleece and their Foam Pro. Those two products, we're going to be doing several different projects with it. The first two that'll be out there, the blog, the first one is going to be making these absolutely adorable coffee sleeves or beverage sleeves. How this came about is I love my iced tea and I always get a big old cup of iced tea and it has condensation all over it and it drips all over my desk. So I decided to take the coffee sleeve idea and turn it into something that would work for hot or cold beverages, and I can tell you I've been using it the last few days and I love it. So the whole blog tutorial will show you how to use cloud fill fleece to make these coffee sleeves, and that's a really fun project. It's very quick, it's really easy, and you know what, it would make a great gift for people. We're going to be using the standard cloud filled fleece for this project, but you could use the single-sided fusible cloud filled fleece as well. So make sure to look over there the first week of September for the blog on this. So the first video project that we're going to be doing with Camelot Fabrics is going to be doing one drawstring bag with 3 different interfacings. So we've got the one here, this is just using straight interfacing. There's no fleece or foam in it, it's very collapsible. Then we're going to do one with cloud filled fleece, so you can see what that bag feels like. You can see here it's got some body to it. And then finally, the last one we're going to do is going to be using the Foam Pro for the bag. We're going to show you how to make these drawstring bags, which are perfect for knitting, crochet, small projects. You have pockets on the inside. I don't know if you can see that in there very well. Let's see, there you go. There's some pockets inside. It's a really great drawstring bag for lots of different things. So make sure you check out the first video for that. So those are that is the first blog and the first video we'll be doing with them. Also make sure you follow them over on Instagram and on Facebook and Pinterest, because we will be doing posts over there as well. So there's going to be a lot of information in a lot of places, and I really hope you join us over on Camelot Fabrics, YouTube, blog posts, Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. I knew I'd remember it. And also just make sure you subscribe and follow us here. We will be posting some of the crossed information here as well. The next month we'll be working with the Fuse Web and the Sew Steady for those two products. We've got a whole lineup of projects for that. And then finally the third month we'll do Fuse Flex, Fuse Ease, and Fuse Knit. What is the difference between these fusible stabilizers? How do we use them? When do we use them? And what fabrics do we use them with? That's just some of the questions that we're going to hopefully have answers for over the next few months for you. So just make sure you follow along. For this month, after the coffee sleeves post and the drawstring bags post, the next video will be how to make an organize it basket. This is one of our patterns, but we're going to make it really fun, really whimsical, and we're going to use the Foam Pro for it. We also have 3 more projects coming up using the cloud filled fleece and the Foam Pro. We will be doing a travel bag. This is one of our patterns. I'm going to make it really fun and whimsical, and we're going to be doing an organize it basket, which is also really handy to have. It breaks down flat to travel, and then wherever you go you could pop it up and have all your sewing tools with you. We're going to show you how to do 3D applique with cloud filled fleece, and that will teach you how to take any applique pattern and create 3D elements on the quilt to make it pop. We have a huge lineup for the first month. I hope you join us over on Camelot Fabrics, as well as continue to follow us here. I always thank you for your support, and I thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of this new endeavor with Camelot Fabrics. See you next time.